Happy Sunday, everybody. So Matthew from Field Services, who is leaving now, just fixed the magnetizer. So unfortunately though, Big Perm, I owe you a Neo motor. It was way stronger than before, and I was standing on top of it, and all of a sudden we hear this. I was like, what the fuck? And it just destroyed that thing because of the kickback. So I got to rebuild that. But these are all good motors that now need to be zapped. So we're doing good, much better. I had a lot of stress relief. I'll do a short shop video for you guys. Been working hard. Just so you know, anytime I take a break like that from YouTube, because I like publishing the information for you guys because it gets it off my chest. And then there's a document of it. So in case I need to remember it or whatever, I can go back and look at the video. But also just to get it off my chest so that I can go back to functioning. I don't have to remember so much. And I do remember a lot. So, but let's see. What else? Oh, I walked away right in the middle of this. I gotta go stop this. Later.